This is a snake rescue. This is why I hate bird netting. But this is a snake that we removed from a client's home. And I know I'm going to get bit multiple times, but that's okay. It will save him. I hate this. We charge more when we have to get him out of this situation. Oh, poor baby. Oh, I gotta get glasses. Damn it. This is such a painful experience, I think, for them. Yeah, keep on going. Keep on going. Quit tightening up. Sorry. Sorry, nobody's here to help me, so I had to set them on my carpet. Okay. Oh, wait, there's one more right here. Oh, God, I hate this. Poor baby. Okay, got that one off. Okay, now I gotta... I swear, I know you're gonna bite me. I don't see where this one goes. Damn, even with glasses on, it's hard to see this damn bird netting. Okay, okay, I'm trying, baby. Oh, that was a good relief I felt there. Do I have that one? Oh my God, I know you guys can't see these individual strands. This is horrible. Okay, there's his head. Okay, now wait, before you get yourself caught up even more. I'm gonna get the major portion of this out of the equation. And then, wait, oh, wait. There. And then, oh, I know I didn't say this. This is a black rat snake. And they're usually pretty docile. He'll be so happy when he gets out of this net. Oh, I hate this is the last part. No, 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 don't be mad. Don't be mad at me. Oh, you're gonna get your head free first, aren't you? I know where this is going. I know where this is going. Yep. Don't be afraid. Don't be mad at me. Okay, now let me see. I don't have any gloves on. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me get here. I'm sorry. I didn't do this to you, just for the record. No, stop. You're making it worse. You're making it worse. Do you not see what you're doing? Stop. You're making it worse now, buddy. And I don't have anybody here to help me. Stop. I can't hold you. Oh, I hate this so much for you, baby. No, I need you to stop. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. I need you to stop, okay? Can you just let me get you? Come on. Oh, I don't know how to help you if you keep twisting. Okay, now I gotta get this right here. No, 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 no. Come on. Come on. Please let me get this part. Right here. It's cutting into your skin. Oh, poor baby. I am so sorry that this happened to you. I hate bird netting. Oh, does that feel better? Almost. Oh, it's right around your mouth. Keep in mind, I'm not watching where the camera is. I'm watching where I'm cutting, which makes this job very, very hard. Oh, I see this one. There, that, I think, did that free you, baby? Okay, wait a minute. Wait, there you go. You're free. Your head's free. Yes, you're free. It's okay. Don't be mad at me now. You remember, I'm the one that's helping you. It's okay. Oh, God. That was awful, wasn't it? That was so awful. Okay, but you listen. Okay, I got you completely free. Okay, now we gotta go do the great task. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on, I messed that camera all up. Come here. Come here. We gotta go do the great task of setting you free. Oh, you just skunked on me. Gosh darn it. Come on. Come on. No, 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 no. I'm gonna set you free. Come on. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Now. Here we go. There you go. Free. You have a new lease on life. Go on, baby. Go on. Free. Now, you're welcome to stay at my house.